Children, today in elementary shapes, we are going to learn about triangles. From the sandwiches we eat in the breakfast to the roofs of the houses, staircase, bridges, towers, buildings to the traffic sign on the road, triangles are found everywhere. It is the strongest shape. Now a triangle can be defined as a polygon having three sides. So let's draw a triangle. Now vertex is a point where two sides of a triangle meet. Let's name these vertices. Here we can name the triangle as triangle ABC or triangle BAC or triangle CAB. So we can name the triangle by the three vertices in any order. Now let's write the three sides of the triangle. These are side AB, side BC and side AC. The three vertices are the three corners of the triangles. So A, B and C. Let's write the three angles. Angle BAC, angle ABC and angle ACB. Children, triangles can be classified on the basis of the lengths of its sides and on the basis of measures of its angles. So first, let's classify triangles on the basis of its sides. First, equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. Usually, equal sides are indicated by putting identical mark. So here in the triangle we observe that the length of all the three sides is 3 cm. So it is equilateral triangle. Second, isosceles triangle. Any two sides are equal. And here we observe the length of two sides of the triangle is 4 cm. So it is isosceles triangle. Third, scalene triangle. No sides are equal. So here we observe that the lengths of all the three sides of a triangle are different. So it is scalene triangle. Children, remember, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. So here in the above triangle, we observe that if we add the lengths of any two sides, let it be 3 cm plus 6 cm, we get 9 cm, which is greater than the length of the third side, which is 5 cm. Now let's classify the triangles on the basis of its angles. So first, acute angled triangle. All angles are less than 90 degrees. So here we observe that the measure of each angle of triangle is less than 90 degrees. So it is acute angled triangle. Second, right angled triangle. If one of the angles of a triangle measures 90 degrees, it is right angle triangle. And here in the triangle we observe the measure of one of its angle is 90 degrees. So it is right angled triangle. Third, obtuse angled triangle. If one of the angles of a triangle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, it is obtuse angle triangle. So here we observe that one of the angles of triangle is 110 degree. So it is obtuse angled triangle. And remember, the sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So here in the above triangle, if we add all the three angles 45 degree, 75 degree and 60 degree, we get 180 degrees. Now let's understand altitude of a triangle. It is the perpendicular line segment from the vertex of a triangle to its opposite side. So let's draw. PA perpendicular from P to its opposite side QR. QB perpendicular from Q to its opposite side PR. RC perpendicular from R to its opposite side PQ. And here we observe that a triangle has three altitudes and they meet at a point. Now let's understand median of a triangle. It is the line segment joining the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Now here in the triangle PQR, L is the midpoint of PR, M is the midpoint of QR, and N is the midpoint of PQ. Now let's draw a line segment from Q joining the midpoint L of opposite side PR. Again we draw a line segment from P joining the midpoint M of its opposite side. We draw another line segment from R joining the midpoint N of its opposite side PQ. And here we observe that a triangle has three medians and they all meet at a point. Now let's do exercise 13.4. Question 1. Name the altitude and median. Now here in the triangle PQR, we observe that PD is a perpendicular line segment drawn from vertex P to its opposite side QR. So here PD is altitude. And we also observe that F is the midpoint of QR. So here PF is the median. Second part. Here we observe that in triangle ABC, AE is the perpendicular line segment drawn from vertex A to the opposite side BC. We have to extend side BC. So here AE is the altitude. Altitude of a triangle can lie inside the triangle or outside the triangle, as it is lying outside here. We also observe that D is the midpoint of BC. So here AD is the median. Question 2. Classify the triangles on the basis of given measures. Triangle ABC, in which angle A is equal to 70 degree, angle B 80 degree, and angle C 30 degree. So here we observe the measure of each angle is less than 90 degree. So here triangle ABC is acute angled triangle. Second, triangle PQR, in which PQ 3 cm, QR 4 cm, and PR 3 cm. So we observe here that the length of the two sides of the triangle PQ and PR is 3 cm each. So here triangle PQR is isosceles triangle. Third, triangle LMN, in which angle N is equal to 90 degree. So one of the angles of triangle LMN is a right angle. So triangle LMN is right angled triangle. Now let's do question 3. Classify the following triangles in two different ways. So we have to classify the triangles on the basis of its sides and on the basis of its angles. And we observe here that the lengths of all the three sides of triangle are different, so it is scalene triangle. And we also observe that one of its angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So it is obtuse angled triangle. Third part. Again we have to classify the triangles on the basis of its angles and sides. We observe here that the measure of each angle of the triangle is less than 90 degree. So it is acute angled triangle. Now we observe that the length of the two sides of the triangle is 3 centimeter, that is equal. So it is isosceles triangle. Now let's do types of quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a polygon having 4 sides. Now here we will study about rectangles and squares only. The objective is to recognize rectangles and squares on the basis of its properties. So let's do the properties of rectangles. Now first, opposite sides are equal. So here AB is equal to DC and DA is equal to CB. So let's write AB is equal to DC and DA is equal to CB. Now opposites are parallel also. So here AB is parallel to DC and DA is parallel to CB. So let's write AB parallel DC and DA parallel CB. All angles are equal and measures 90 degree. So here angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. The diagonals are equal. So here diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. So let's write AC is equal to BD. Diagonals bisect each other. It means OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. So let's write now let's do the properties of square. Now in square all sides are equal. So here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Opposite sides are parallel. So here AB is parallel to DC and BC is parallel to AD. So let's write AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Third, all angles are equal and measure 90 degree each. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So it means diagonal AC makes 90 degree angle with diagonal BD. So here we write diagonal AC is perpendicular to diagonal BD. Diagonals bisect each other. So it means OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. So let's write children, I hope all the concepts are clear to you, and here are some real life pictures of rectangles and squares, and I hope you can recognize them on the basis of their properties. Now